Here are 5 life successful decisions you won't regret. 1. Make sure you spend less than you make. Although it may seem self-evident, many people fail to follow this rule, resulting in a large amount of debt and little savings. 2. Accept responsibility for your actions. To put it another way, you must take ownership of your financial situation. To begin making financial improvement, make the required modifications. 3. Make an investment in yourself. This entails not only studying what you need to know about money management, but also committing to saving and investing for your financial future in a systematic manner. 4. Seek the advice of wise people. You don't have to go it alone when it comes to your finances. If you need assistance, find someone or contact a coach. 5. Incorporate God's guidance into your financial decisions. Solicit His assistance in becoming a wise and faithful steward.